Hey friends, if you wish to know how to route all traffic through internal network in Windows, then please watch this video. But you need to know that it will prohibit your internet. But if you really want to do this for some reasons, or especially security reasons, then here's what you can do. Search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open the registry editor window. Go to HKey local machine, software, policies, Microsoft and Windows. Now, till Windows it will exist. After that, we will create a key named V6 transition. So right click on Windows and select key V6 transition. In the right pane, you will have to create a string value named force underscore tunneling. Right click new string value force underscore tunneling. Double click on it. Now to allow the traffic, the value data can be enabled. To disallow the traffic, the value data can be disabled, and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.